Hi, I'm Chris with Maxxfan and Excel brand. Today I'm going to show you what's in the box when you purchase a Maxxfan Dome or a Maxxfan Dome Plus. All the components will be the same, the only difference is one has the lights on it. Let's take a look and we can make sure that you have everything you need for a successful install. I've opened the box and I've laid everything out so we can take a look at what we have inside. Inside the box you're going to find the interior ring. This is a Dome Plus, so you can see it's got the lights on the light switch. You'll have the exterior unit, which is the fan unit itself, and this goes on the exterior. I have the extension sleeve, which will allow you to install the fan on different thicknesses of sidewalls. So you'll cut this to meet your specific need. And you'll have this piece, which is a rain shield, which must be used in sidewall installations. You'll also get some fasteners. You'll have 4 interior screws, and they're easy to recognize because the heads are painted white. You'll have 14 of that style screw for the exterior, and then you'll have 2 small wire nuts. Of course, you'll also have the installation manual. There are a few items you'll need in addition to what we have in the box, and that's Dicor self-leveling lap seal for ensuring a watertight seal. And then also you'll need a butyl product, either Dicor butyl tape or the new Dicor gunnable butyl, which comes in a tube just like the lap seal and is really handy for easy use and easy cleanup. So thank you so much for your purchase of a Maxxair Dome, and have a great time out on the road.